When Jeanette Fiazzo introduced me to this business, I saw the earning potential right away. Then I met some of the trailblazers, people whose accomplishments I hope to emulate. I've learned a lot from leaders like Milton Burt Jr. and Sherelle Slace. These two are absolutely amazing. Now look at me. Only a month in, I've already been promoted to regional consultant and I've met with the company founders. But meeting Brian McClure, the man who earns more money than any other consultant in the company, absolutely set my world on fire. I'm super excited to utilize what he taught me and introduce many more people to this business. When he told me that he earns $500,000 a month, that's right, a month, doing exactly what he has taught me to do, my excitement went through the roof. Would you care to learn what he taught me? Give me an hour of your time, earn about $75, and change your life forever.